Guys, I'm at Aldi and I'm going to show you some of their Black Friday deals right now. And I know what you're thinking, why would they have these deals at Aldi? Anyways, here they are. This is a 16-inch square planter box. They have some kind of interesting random things and the prices are pretty good. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a thick box. It's only $14.49. So definitely not a bad deal on this one. This is for $44. This is a queen or king. I guess you can choose. They had different sizes. It's a heated quilt mattress pad, and looks like you can select the different preheating options, temperature levels, and that one's a queen, it looks like. Now underneath this, for $39, this is a Ferex 6-gallon wet dry vac. This was kind of behind some random things. This shelf had all kinds of weird different things on it, but for this price, as long as it works, it's an 8-amp 6-gallon wet dry vac. Now, you know Aldi's like more of a discount type store, but they had some pretty decent prices on some household items. And let me know in the comments if there's something that looks interesting to you. Now from DuPont for $3.49, this is an air filter that would go over your HVAC. This is the high allergen care ones. It's 16 by 25. They also had, I think it was a 16 by 20 filter. And these look like they were the high end as far as what they cover. Now for $3.99, these are two lighters here. So that's a pretty good price. You go to another store, they're probably going to be $9 or $10 for those. And then right below here from Crofton, they have some single large bins that you could put different pantry items in. It looks like they have cookies and chips for $12.99. And now for $19.99, this is a vacuum sealer. So this is great if you want to like vacuum seal meat. They are doing vegetables, salmon, it looks like they're doing as well. And they had the extra bags next to them. Now look at this cool thing. This is from Bond. It's a Bluetooth suitcase record player. So this is just kind of a random item. It's only $29, but this is one of their Aldi finds. Just a pretty neat thing. Has Bluetooth receiver, headphone jack. Obviously you can set the clock on it. This is what it looks like from the front here. They did have a few of these here, but just kind of a random item. From Ambiano, this is a 360 surround portable heater. So it looks like you just set the heat. This is going to be $24, and then the heat's going to kind of dissipate up through the top. It has two different heat settings, of course, adjustable thermostat and overheating protection. You definitely want those with something that's not necessarily a name brand. Now this is a heated microfiber throw. It's a blanket. It says it's got a 10-hour auto shutoff. It's $24.99. This is from Bedford. It says it's machine washable somehow. I don't understand how that's possible, but from Crofton again, this is a cast iron roaster. It's a 5-quart roaster, and I'm going to show you what it looks like inside. There was one that was already kind of open. It definitely does look like a decent quality roasting pan if you need something for, like, I guess turkeys or something that are kind of large. I think they have like meat and veggies in the picture, but so there's just a lot of random different items on these shelves. You kind of got to look what is up here. But this is a rice cooker. It's a 20-cup rice cooker and steamer for $19. Now check out this battery work tripod light. This is interesting. It's a 360-degree light for $29. I'm going to show you how many lumens it says. It says 5,000 Kelvin. I guess you could do the workaround with that, but it says on the back here, I believe. So let's turn it around. They're showing different uses you can use it for here. And then at the bottom, it says max is I think it said 1,200 lumens there. So that's pretty decent. And you can kind of work the top to go at 3 different angles, it looks like. So that's pretty neat. And that's $29. Now from Bond, these are some extension cords. This is a 2-pack extension cord. That's $4.99. That looks like it's 2 different inside cords. And then this one here is an extension cord with foot switch. That's good if you have like a Christmas tree or something. Now from Easy Home, this is a microfiber mop system. This is going to be $19.99 for one of their mop kits. I'm going to turn this around so you can see it a little bit better. And there we go. They have the clean water on the right side. You can see where it has a dirty mop. There's 3 different tanks here. It looks like the clean water tank, dirty tank, and then right in the middle you kind of push it down, and then when you bring it back up, it's going to clean it off apparently, and the water goes into the dirty tank there, and that's $19.99 on this one. They also had a lot of Christmas things and advent calendars, just FYI. This is from Huntington Home. It's a bamboo bath accessory. It's a trash can. Now these were cool. These look like just the Stanley cups. They're $7.99. This is, of course, an off-brand, and then $5.99 for the smaller ones. But these are tumblers. They almost look identical to Stanley, except without the name on it. The feel of them, they felt the same as far as weight and feel. And these smaller ones, these would be great for kids if you had kids that you're going camping or something. Now from Ambiano, again, is this oscillating ceramic heating tower. This is $24. Has a power indicator thermostat. And I was kind of looking at it, I was like, for some reason in the picture, it looked like it was a humidifier. It also has a fan setting only, I guess, which you probably could use to cool things as well. Maybe that's what it's showing. I thought it was going to be a humidifier for some reason. For $5.89, this is a boot scraper mat, but this is on clearance. So this is going to be a 16 by 16 inch mat. It's pretty rugged looking, at least it's very thick. It was like 1.5 inches. And now if they had the OxyClean, this is for, looks like the odor blaster. This is to add in the laundry. This is going to be $8.79, one of the Aldi finds. And I'm not sure if it had a scent. It just says odor blaster, and it's the powder, I believe. Now for $24, they had this cast iron broiler, or brazier. It's a 3.7 quart from Crofton. You can use this for electric, induction. And to the right, again, they had one that was already open. So this is the lid. I'm going to open this one up, and then right under the lid, if I can open this and grab this, I'll show you the actual pot itself. So there's the pot. Again, looks like that one we saw earlier, except that was like a roasting pan. They had some kids' toys as well. These were some like Hot Wheels toys. This is $19, and this was like some T-Rex toy track. They had some Barbies and different books for smaller kids, but some of these look like they were half price if you were to get them, say, even at like Target or something like that. Now from this Crofton brand, again, is $9. Is a 48-cup mini muffin pan. So pretty good deal on this. They had some other standard pans behind it, just like some baking pans, and they had this huge one as well. So I'm not sure the price on that big one, though. Now for $14.99, they had these glass storage bins with lids. So this is what they look like. They're storing all kinds of different random things in it here. And I'm going to show you the kind of the lowdown on the different ones they have in just a second on the left. So you can see they have the two cup bowls with lids, and then the smaller ones that you can stack. Now look at these Pez items. This reminded me kind of the 90s. They had some random candies and chocolates that were on pretty decent price as well. So I hope you really like this video, and when you go online, you can also see the deals. I'm not sure if you can buy the deals online. I think they just show them to you, and you can get them in stores, my understanding. But I hope you like this video, guys, and go ahead and check out this next video. There's some more Black Friday deals.